Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson polynomials. Coming to worksheet 2, divide the following monomials by the given monomial. So in the example we have seen monomial by a monomial. So first write in the division form 3x squared, that means 6 by 3 into x cube upon x squared, that is 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is 2, and here it will be only one x will be remaining. Now coming to the second question, it is minus 35 x to the power 4 divided by minus 7 x cube. It is minus 35 upon minus 7 into x to the power 4 upon x to the power cube or x to the power 3. So 7 ones are 7 fives are, minus minus becomes plus, therefore 5, and x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 3 means 4 minus 3 is 1, that is x. Now coming to the third sum, 5z minus 5z squared upon square root of 5z. So here it is a minus 5 upon root 5 into z squared upon z. Now in the denominator, when there is a root, you have to do, it is a minus 5 upon root 5. Now denominator root has to be changed, that is why multiply by root 5 upon root 5. जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में स्क्वायर रूट सब रहता है, मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय रूट 5 and this becomes z squared upon z, that means 2 minus 1 is z. अभी आया ये क्या बनेगा, minus 5 root 5 upon root 5 into root 5, it becomes 5, है ना, दो बार square root of 5. When you multiply, square root of 5 into 5 is 25, square root of 25 is 5. क्यों ऐसे किए, तो this gets cancelled, that is why. Okay, so now it is a minus root 5 z. Did you understand this? Whenever you have root 5 or square root in the denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by the square root of that number and make it a whole number, and then you can cancel it. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a 16p to the power 4 upon minus 6p squared, that is 16 upon minus 6 into p squared, p to the power 4 upon p squared. Now it is 2 3s are, direct cutting is not there, 2 3s are 2 8s are. So it became minus 8 by 3, and this is p, 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear? Now coming to the fifth sum, it is a 4 root 2 y cube upon 3 root 2 y cube. So it becomes 4 root 2 upon 3 root 2 into y cube upon y cube. Now, in this, root 2 gets cancelled. Denominator is y squared. Okay. So, root 2 gets cancelled. So, because numerator also there is square root of 2. So, here it will be 4 by 3. Now, y cube upon y squared. That means y. So, answer is 4 by 3 y. Now, coming to the sixth sum. 3 by 4 p squared upon 4 by 3 p squared. Now 3 by 4 upon 4 by 3 within the bracket into p squared upon p squared. This p squared gets cancelled. Now 3 by 4. Now divide by 4 by 3 means what? Multiply by the reciprocal. Isn't it? So 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 9 by 16. तो नंबर्स को अलग करो और वेरिएबल को अलग ब्रैकेट में डालकर उसको सॉल्व करते जाओ. Understood? That was about the worksheet 2, question number 1, all the 6 sums. Now coming to the question number 2, that is divide the following polynomial by a monomial. Polynomial by a monomial. Now 6x to the power 4 minus 24x cube plus 15x squared plus 9 divided by minus 3x squared. So, in the example you have seen what we have to do. 6x to the power 4 upon minus 3x squared. Now, sign minus 24x to the power 3 upon minus 3x squared. Now it is plus 15x squared upon minus 3x squared plus 9 upon minus 3x squared. So individually you divide. Now 3 1s are 3 2s are. Now here it will be minus 2. Isn't it? Now x to the power 4 upon x squared means 4 minus 2 is 2. Now here it is minus minus. It becomes plus. So remember this. First think about the sign. Minus minus plus. Now 3 1s are 3 8s are. So write 8. X cube upon x squared means 3 minus 2 is 1. That is why x. Now plus of minus. Minus 3 1s are 3 5s are. Write 5. X squared gets cancelled. Now plus of minus. Minus 3 1s are 3 3s are 3. Now in the denominator it is x squared. So this is the final answer. So first sign, then the numbers, then the alphabets. Solve it in that way. Okay, now coming to the second sum. It is a 12x minus 12x plus 22x squared minus 16x cube plus 4. First write it in the standard form. So first it will be minus 16x cube, then plus 22x squared minus 12x plus 4 upon 2x. Now individually We'll write minus 16x cube upon 2x plus 22x squared upon 2x minus 12x upon 2x plus 4 upon 2x. First sign, this is minus, 2 ones are 2 eights are, right, minus 8, x cube upon x, 3 minus 1 is 2, x squared. Now plus 2 ones are 2 11s are 11, x squared upon 6, matlab 2 minus 1 1, so no need of writing. Then minus 2 ones are 2 6 6, x is also get cancelled. Now it is plus 2 ones are 2 twos are, so numerator it is 2 and denominator there is x. So answer is minus 8x squared plus 11x minus 6 plus 2 by x. Clear? This is in the standard form. 2, 1, here x power is 0, here x to the power minus 1. So that is why it is in the standard form. Okay? Now coming to the third sum, minus 2 by 3 z to the power 4 minus 1 by 3 z squared minus 1 divided by 1 by 3 z. So how here we have to do? Separate, isn't it? 2 by 3 z to the power 4 upon 1 by 3 z minus 1 by 3 z squared upon 1 by 3 z minus 1 upon 1 by 3 z. Okay. Now the numbers will take extra bracket. Now 2 by 3 upon 1 by 3 means multiply by 3 by 1. Bracket close. Now z to the power 4 upon z minus 1 by 3 into divide by 1 by 3 becomes then z squared upon z minus 1 into 3 by 1 in the denominator z. That is, this one becomes 3 gets cancelled. Here it is 2 z to the power 4 upon z means 4 minus 1 is 3. Here it is sign is minus, 3 gets cancelled. Now z squared upon z, 2 minus 1 is 1, that is z minus, now here it will be 3, isn't it? 3 and denominator is z. So you got 2z cube minus z minus 3 by z. Understood? In a fractional sums, little bit care you have to take. So multiply the reciprocal. Okay, now coming to the fourth sum. It is a 2 root 2 q to the power 4 plus 4 root 2 q cube plus q squared upon minus 2 root 2 q squared. So separate out 2 root 2 q to the power 4 upon minus 2 root 2 q squared. Here it will be plus 4 root 2 q to the power 3 upon minus 2 root 2 q squared plus q squared upon minus 2 root 2 q squared. Now 2 cancel, root 2 cancel. Sign is minus. Now q to the power 4 upon q squared. 4 minus 2, 2. So you got minus q squared. Now here plus minus minus. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Root 2 cancel. Now q cube upon q squared means 3 minus 2 is 1. It is cube. Now plus minus minus. q squared cut. But here like in the earlier sums root 2 डिनोमिनेटर में है लेकिन कटिंग के लिए न्यूमरेटर में कुछ नहीं है. So you keep it like this only 1 upon 2 root 2. इधर मल्टीप्लाई करने का नहीं है क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में कुछ नहीं है डिवाइड करने के लिए, तो इसके लिए ऐसे ही रखने का. So answer is minus q squared minus 2q minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Understood? So we have completed worksheet 2, first and second questions. Hope everyone understood this much. Okay then, bye. Thank you.